So let's learn back step, and just by knowing one step, we can learn 8 dances. So let's go. So first we're gonna learn our magic back step. So what is back step? Imagine shape of the box on the floor. We start with our left leg. We'll go forward, then we'll go side, then we'll go together. So this is a half of the box. Then we're gonna go back with our right leg, side, together. So this is a back step. You see we're moving in the shape of square. So do it again. Left leg forward, right leg side, together, right leg back, left leg side, together. Let's do exactly the same, our magic back step together from the reverse angle. Left leg forward, forward, side, together. We go back, side, together. So this is a back step. By knowing this one step, we can do 8 dances. So the structure of the steps will stay exactly the same, but we're going to add a little bit characteristic for each dance, which is the timing and the action use. So number 1 dance we're going to learn using back step is a waltz. So what is the waltz? So waltz, we can dance in a box shape form. And as we add the 2 main characteristics of this dance, rise and fall, and timing 1 to 3, we're already getting a waltz. So it looks like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So by knowing a back step, we already know waltz. Now we're gonna keep step exactly the same, and we're gonna learn dance number 2, which is American Rumba. So in this case, for American Rumba, instead of starting with the forward walk, we start with the side, but we're still gonna move in a box shape, and we add a little bit body actions and timing, quick, quick, slow. It looks like this: quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, and quick, slow. So by knowing back step, we already know 2 dances: waltz and rumba. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Okay, so let's move to dance number 3, is a Foxtrot. So we're gonna use exactly the same step, our back step, add a little bit brush in between. So we're gonna go step, brush, side, together. Step, brush, side, together. Step, brush, side, together. Step, brush, side, together. So we already have 3 dances. We have a waltz, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We have a rumba, quick and quick, slow, quick and quick, slow. And we have a foxtrot: step, brush, side, together. Step, brush, side, together. 3 dances, 1 step. So let's dance. Let's go to dance number 4. So it's going to be a samba. We're still going to use a back step, but we add the characteristic of samba, which is a bouncing action, body rhythm, and also 1-2 timing. So you go 1-2, 3-4, 1-2, 3-4, 1-2, 3-4. So this is international samba. So already 4 dances. So we started with the waltz, doing back step. We continued with the rumba, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. We went to the foxtrot, slow brush, quick, quick, slow brush, quick, quick. And we ended with the samba: 1-2, 3-4, 5-6, 7-8. So the dance number 5 is going to be merengue. We're still going to use our back step. We're going to add a small section to it, a little bit of cucaracha before we move. So you go cucaracha, box step, and box step. Merengue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So already 5 dances. Okay, let's move to dance number 6. It's going to be bachata. So in this dance, all we'll do exactly the same back step. We just add a little bit tap. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap. Box, box, step, tap, box, box, step, tap. So already 6 dances. Let's move to dance number 7, which is tango. So we're going to still use the same back step. Now we're going to get more grounded to the floor. We're going to stay on the same level, trying to keep our upper body as flat as possible. And we're going to go step, step, collect. Step, step, collect. Step, step, collect. Step, step, collect. Same back step, already 7 dances. Let's move to dance number 8. It's going to be a mambo. So it's going to look like this: 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, 3, 4. And this was our last dance. So 8 dances using 1 step. Enjoy.